Guys, it's a hot mess outside. Hope you're staying cool. I just got back with this grocery haul and I can't wait to show you what we're doing. Let me give it a minute before everybody gets in. I, of course, want you to guess what I spent on my groceries. And I'm going to talk a little bit today about the recipes that I'm making for ourselves. We don't have class this week, but I still got to eat, and what I bought and what I'm going to do and how's everybody doing. I'm going to give it a minute. You know what? Let me ask you guys this before we get started. Did you guys know that I was in this book right here, the Power Foods Diet book? I'm in this book right here. Somebody was over here and I was just showing them this stuff and I had it out. I was in Women's World, on the cover of Women's World and Inside Women's World with Dr. Neil Barnard. I was also in the Women's First magazine. Where's that one at? Give it a minute before everybody gets in here. Sometimes I got to remind myself, like, oh my gosh, right here in my kitchen, look at that. I forgot about all the things we're doing. And plant-based eating over 50. I've been in that one too. I'm really talking about this because I think about how far I've come just by showing up every day and practicing this lifestyle. And through all those things, I've still been bringing home the same groceries. I'm going to talk about what I'm going to eat this week. How's everybody doing on a scale of 1 to 5? 1 is forget about it, this day blows, or 5, Stefanie, I'm feeling awesome. I want to let you take a minute. Let me see where you go. Who's here? Let me know who's here before I get this party started. Let me take a breath. I literally just came in. It's hot over here, Amy. I hope you're staying cool. Let me know who's here. Let me know on a scale of 1 to 5, and then I'm going to get this grocery haul started. I am excited for what we're going to have this week. Thank you, Rachel. So just before I get started, good morning. Just before I get started, on my menu this week, what we wrote down, where is it? Chicken scratches. I've got down my kale and pasta salad. I'm going to have a cabbage bowl. These are my dinners. I really just focus on dinners. Every day I have smoothies. So I get greens, I get fruits in, I get my flax in. And then I've got my dinners scheduled for the week. Scheduled meaning here's 5, 6 options I'm going to have and some lunches, and we're going to whip through it. So I'm going to do a kale and pasta Buddha bowl this week, probably tonight. Cabbage bowl is coming this week because I've got a dressing that's going to rock your world that I'll share with you guys. Pasta, broccoli, tofu bites one day. The burger bowl, which has been phenomenal. People in the group are eating the burger bowl. People know I love my taco bowl. I'm going to have one of those. I'm going to be whipping up a easy bean salad, and we're probably going to be doing some wraps this week because it's cold food and it's really hot out there. So just to let you guys know, that is what we're eating over here. Now let's get through the grocery haul and I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing. Thank you guys for being here today. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here, because most people think that they need a recipe to get this down. I know it. I've been listening to this for a long time, but really it's about repetition. So if you're watching this grocery haul, you're learning what to bring home every week. And I want to start off with my favorite things, you guys. Yeah, Taco Bowl Tuesday. We just did that last night, so I'm going to wait again. I've got some romaine here. Who's got romaine in their grocery list or in their house right now? Give me an R, because I'm going to chop this up. Every bowl I make with rice or beans or potatoes, I always chop up a head of romaine in the bottom of my bowl. I just make it you know what I mean? Head of romaine, we need the greens in every bowl. We want greens all day long. So what else do I have for greens over here in my grocery haul? Kale. This one's already trying to get out and get in me. Good. Who's got kale? What's your favorite green, actually? Give me a K for kale. These look a little weak. Amy, I'll be at Woodman's later today. I'll be stopping at Woodman's to get a couple other things. We've got green onions. That burger bowl is fabulous. These green onions, who's got green onions? I'm going to be putting this on my cabbage bowls, in my cabbage bowls. It's great to have some green onions. More of these, because I'm telling you, look at, there's 6 heads. That's going to be 2 of us, 3 days. That's a couple days. That could go for a wrap. That could go in the bottom of my bowl. Cabbage bowls are great. We've got more kale right here. 3 kales. There we go. Kale, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Low fat, high fiber. You could eat all you want of these things and build so much up with it. I also have a big old watermelon. I'm probably going to eat half of that for lunch. Probably just a whole half for lunch. We talked about it on Saturday support group. 5 cups of watermelon isn't even 1 gram of fat, you guys. I didn't say no fat. I said low fat. In my grocery haul, I also have some vinegar, just because that's just how I rinse off my fruit and do stuff like that. So what else do I have in here that I'm gonna eat all I want of? Oh, I always have some nori rolls to go. I have to go live and show you guys in the group how to make some super fast sushi, like lickety split fast. Strawberries, they're 99 cents right now. Who has got strawberries on the brain? Because I'm gonna eat all of these and I'm probably just gonna wash them and eat them just like that, because those are, look at these, you guys see these? These are the antioxidants, these are the cancer fighters, these are the weight lossers, okay? This is the stuff that you could eat all you want of, okay? Low fat, high fiber. Oh my gosh, nature's candy. Another one of these things you could eat all you want of, okay? Grapes for days. This is the season to be eating cold food. Stefanie, what do I do for a snack? You guys, right there. That's snack. That's it. It doesn't have to be in a package. The only package I have is what I'm carrying at home in, okay? Keep that in mind. Speaking of more snacks, who's eating their berries every single day? I got berries in my smoothie. I got berries in my hands. These dark berries, these anthocyanins, this is the stuff you want to eat all you want of. Low fat, high fiber, nature's candy. This is the feel goods. This is the snacks. Okay, so let me get those berries down. Oh my gosh, 99 cents. Are you kidding me? You know how much fiber is in this? Most of America isn't getting enough fiber. They're getting about 13 grams of fiber a day. How many grams of fiber, put it in the chat box, should we get minimum a day to crush it? Look at these babies right here. Who's got the cherry tomatoes? Let me know if you got the cherry tomatoes. These are going to be going on my wraps. They're going to go in my Buddha bowl. They could go on my taco bowl. So I've just been getting the big boys. Growing your own strawberries. That's how you slay it. So you can just walk outside and you can just eat them. You can just eat them just like that. I miss my garden. I just haven't had time. I've been a little busy. Potatoes, you guys saw we just bought a 5-pound bag of potatoes the other day. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. So more potatoes, put them in your microwave, heat them up, eat them up. I'll have these always batch cooked in the refrigerator. I'm gonna dunk them in hummus. I'm gonna eat them with beans. I'm going to eat them with greens. I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on it and I'm going to call it a day. But the potatoes are always in the refrigerator so that I could slay. So remember that, okay? I'm rhyming and I'm not even trying, you guys, okay? That's how fun it is to eat your plants off. More stuff you could eat your plants off. Vitamins, minerals, protein, vitamin C. This is the stuff that keeps you living. This is the stuff that keeps people alive, feeling good, losing weight. And feeling great right here. You could eat all you want of everything that I've put out here right now. Oh my gosh, I'm going through lemons. I put them in my water. I actually put them the most on kale. We did some braised kale this week. It was fantastic. Little bit of liquid aminos, little bit of lemon, little bit of garlic, and you braise your kale. One and done. I stick to the simplest things. If I have to break out a recipe, it's a holiday or something. You know what I mean? I don't really mess around. My apples are about to fall out. But anyway, I've got some apples in here right now. Honeycrisp are just my biggest fans. Okay, I love the Honeycrisp. Also, by the way, who's got apples right here? You can eat all you want of these. You could eat all you want of the apples. If you're not sure what to eat and you're in a rush or things aren't going great, 911, what's your emergency? I'm hungry. Eat an apple. Okay, that's what I would tell you. Okay, eat an apple. Eat 5 apples. Whoops-a-daisy, I smashed my breath. Sorry about that. That happens. Okay, let's get this big boy bag out here, right here. Pasta. This is my favorite pasta right here. It's Tink Yada brown pasta. Who's got pasta or rice right now ready to go? This is going to go in my Buddha bowl. This is going to go in my big bean pasta salad. And we're going to put that over here. I've got some of my favorite barbecue sauce. I love it because there's no oil in it. This is something you could put on potatoes, sweet potatoes, baked potatoes, beans and rice, everything nice, wraps. You could do so much with just this sauce. I got to do some dishes, so I got my Myers dish soap right here. And this is one of the things that I need to remind everybody. When it comes to nuts, seeds, avocados, coconut, cashew, coconut creams, all peanut butter, stuff like that, if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to prevent and reverse disease, then you don't want to eat all of those things. You want a little bit, 2 tablespoons a day. So these last a long time. These raw cashews are going to be my Parmesan cheese. They're going to be my Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to use these for my cashew Parmesan cheese. That's really all I use it for. Oh, and sometimes they make the easy cheesy sauce without the diseasy. They were out of my favorite corn, but I found this corn right here. I like it spicy. I like to burn my face off. Actually, let me read the ingredients. Yep, okay, nothing with animal in it. No eggs, no dairy, no cheese. That's all I need to know. Pinto beans, because they're 99 cents. You know what? Get out of here. Pinto beans, because I'm gonna put those on my taco salad. We take 2 cans when we're doing it. We almost put a can each. We take 2 cans, we open them up, we keep them in the sauce, in the aquafaba. We microwave it, we heat it up, we eat it up. The aquafaba and the pinto beans, it's like oil. It feels like oil on your rice. And it's exactly how Chipotle does it, okay? So it's the same thing. So this is what I like to put on my better romaine with my beans, with my corn, my jalapeno, my hummus, and what else? Lettuce. Always a tamari in the house for a sauce. You can, I'm gonna wait to tell you a favorite sauce. Just hold on. I've got a spaghetti sauce. I could make a sauce, no problem, but I don't wanna cook, you guys. It's 100 degrees. Everybody's heating up right now, so let's just keep it simple so we actually just eat more broccoli and more pasta is what I'm gonna have with this, okay? I love Meyer's brand. What else do I have in? I just broke my vinegar. Ew. Okay, hold on a second. I've got to roll up my pants, and I'm not going to move too much so that I could fix this later. It happens, you know what I mean? We've got some triple berry berries. Who's got frozen berries in their freezer right now? This is a quick fix. We're going to do these with oats. We're going to do these with our smoothies. Hold on, I hope I don't have a piece of glass right here. Got to be safe. We could still do this grocery haul. Rice. This is white rice. What I love about this white rice is, who's got rice stuffed in their freezer right now? Rice is in your freezer. Perfect, because I don't want to have to heat it up. I just want to eat it up. In the stove, I mean. You could just microwave these for, I think it's 2-3 minutes. Just cooked white rice. You put a little bit of that vinegar that I just dropped all over here. I'm not going to say it. That's how you make some quick, sticky rice for sushi, okay? More berries, because these are easy. You could eat these right now. I put these, sometimes I heat up a rice, and I put this with the rice with a little bit of maple syrup. That's okay. That's okay. If we're not breaking stuff, we're not doing it right. You know what I mean? More rice. I'm just feeling a little stiff right now because I'm standing with some broken stuff, but I'm okay. Everything's good. I love this. I know it's going to... We go through so much vinegar. Sometimes I'm like, what is that? It's not me. More rice. I love this jasmine rice because it's just jasmine rice. So what I did the other day was I heated this up. Exactly. I heated this up in the microwave. I put some raisins with it, some cinnamon, some maple syrup, and I had a quick dessert with some soy milk. Like easy. Okay, easy. Let's get that going. Okay, hold on. Oh my goodness. The bag of bananas, got a bag of bananas, you guys. These are another cheap, easy thing to eat all you wanna. Hold on. Oh my goodness, I've really done it this time. And I've got some really good stuff here. Hold on. The cruciferous. Who's got the cauliflower in the refrigerator? I'm absolutely gonna chop this up. I'm gonna eat it raw. This is gonna be my snacking for the week, okay? So far I'm doing a burger bowl with the romaine lettuce. I've got leftovers, I've got tomatoes. I'm gonna do a taco bowl. I'm gonna do a cabbage bowl. I'm gonna do a kale pasta Buddha bowl, and I also have stuff to make spaghetti. That's my dinners for the week. I love breaking this up, dunking it in hummus with sweet chili sauce. Yeah, just plain hummus, sweet chili sauce, and cauliflower just eaten raw. It's delicious. It's lightweight. You could eat all you want of it. Red onions are going in my easy bean salad, on my taco bowls. And where else are they? Can you guys believe? See, no matter what the situation is, we're still going to eat our plants off. This is for my cabbage bowls I'm going to make this week. They're delicious. They're cold. I love not cooking. I am going to steam some broccoli. I also have some left over in the refrigerator. So I've got some broccoli. I could probably clean my windows too. You know what I mean? I should. It's been a long time. I've got more red onions, and I've got these cucumbers because I love these in that one kale pasta bowl I make. Okay, let's see if I can get, is that everything? Oh, no. I forgot the soy. Here we go. These were on sale. My daughter loves these, okay? She's going to be here this weekend. Congratulations to her. She's rocking her classes, her finals. So these were 4 for $5. I like these because she likes them, but I don't eat them because they're kind of high in fat. So I just keep that stuff out. But this right here, I'm going to make these into tofu cubes. I'm going to be putting these on my broccoli impasta bowl. We're going to be putting these in our wraps, okay? So more tofu. I'll be going to Woodman's and I'll be another grocery store and I'll be getting my hummus there, some lavash wraps, and a little bit of tofu. We've got some soy milk. This would be the number one thing I go to. I could eat it with rice. I could eat it with oats. I'm going to make a little blender berry oats. It's a cold recipe that I did a few weeks ago. Another soy milk, okay? Hold on. You guys see I'm standing here a little awkward and I have 3 more yogurts. Now, guess this haul with it all. Look at this. Yeah, I did break a whole thing of vinegar, but luckily I've got a backup. I think it's making me gag a little bit. Thank you guys for being here this morning to watch me. Julie, welcome in. It's so good to see you. I miss your face so much. Unfortunately, I did break my jar of seasoned vinegar. I'm going to clean it up and I'm going to get out of this live, but I want you to take a guess of what I bought here with all my grocery haul. I know there's no class this week, but I still got to eat. And you just heard everything I'm going to make. You can follow me on social media. I'm going to be posting everything that I do over there every day. I have smoothies for breakfast. I eat leftovers for lunch. I eat lots of raw vegetables and raw fruits during the day. And then I have these big giant bowls for dinner to slay. $2.75? Oh my goodness, what a great guess. Rachel, ooh, you're the grand total, look at this, and I've got so many bananas. I got a whole bag of bananas. I've got all this food. Look at all this food, you guys. Look at all this food. I'm standing in my vinegar right now. And the total for this bill is $238.57. Thank you guys so much for being here on this grocery haul. Listen to me. This is not about a recipe. This is about repetition. This is about keeping it easy without the diseasey. Keep bringing these groceries home and it's going to take you home to exactly where you want to be. I have been dieting since I came out of the womb. It stopped when I started eating my plants off. All right, get that nutrition in that you need. You can eat all you want of this except for those cashews. Other than that, go to town and turn it around. Yeah, I love you guys. Eat your plants off. Thank you so much. Don't forget to text somebody you love, drink some water, and tell people where to go. Check out the new website, plantspiration.org. Don't forget to listen to the podcast. It's phenomenal is what people are saying. And thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and keep on spreading the word. This is how we do it. This is how we do it.